Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can share your screen during live streams in the Telegram application on PC or laptop. So let us guide you through this. Okay, so head over to the Telegram desktop application installed on your PC or laptop and access the channel where you'd like to live stream. Let me go with that channel here. So to start the live stream, guys, simply click into that button in the top right and either schedule a live stream for later or start it now by clicking into start live stream here. Select your channel name, click into continue. And what you want to do after that, guys, is click into these three dots in the top left corner of your live stream. And from here, simply select share screen. After that, select your source, which in this case here would be either your gaming channel or that overview or your entire screen. That's totally up to you. So let me go with my entire screen and click into share screen here. You can also share the audio, for example, if you're using a microphone. So click into share screen here, and that is going to share your entire screen or the given visual source for the live stream here. So you can, for example, keep doing that, or I don't know, end the live stream by clicking into this button, unmute yourself, enable your camera. So let me end that live stream for demonstration purposes by clicking into this button. And that's how it works, guys. As you can see, that's how you share your screen during live streams on Telegram, on PC or laptop. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.